FlowRota allows employees to work overtime and store the additional time as time off in lieu, commonly known as TOIL. This allows employees to take time back off future shifts while still being paid for their scheduled hours. To enable TOIL, first make sure the time off in lieu setting is enabled in the admin panel under Leave Settings. To create a TOIL shift, go to the Staff Rota page and click on a rota day for the employee. By default, FlowRota creates a standard paid shift, but this can be changed using the shift type drop-down. Select Overtime, Time in Lieu. Now enter the overtime shift times. For example, if I enter 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. with a 60-minute break, the overtime duration becomes 7 hours. Once saved, these 7 hours are added to the employee's TOIL balance. You can view an employee's TOIL balance in their user profile under the Allowances tab within Other Leave. If employees are required to clock on to overtime shifts, TOIL will only be accrued once the employee has clocked on, clocked off, and the clock card has been approved. If pay clocked time only is enabled, the TOIL balance added will be based on the employee's actual worked duration from their clocked times rather than the scheduled shift duration. Employees can then use their TOIL balance directly from scheduled shifts. For example, the employee can open a future shift within My Rota and click Use TOIL. If the shift runs from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m., the employee may request to leave 10 minutes early using TOIL. They can submit the request along with a note for their manager to review. Once submitted, the request shows as awaiting approval within the shift. Managers can review TOIL requests from their notifications tray under Staff Requests within the Changes tab. Here, the manager can approve or decline the request. Once approved, the employee can leave their shift 10 minutes early while still being paid for the full scheduled shift duration. The employee's TOIL balance is automatically reduced by 10 minutes. If the employee reopens the shift, they will see the shift still ending at 5 p.m., but with 10 minutes marked as TOIL used at the end of the shift. This means the employee remains fully paid while finishing earlier without penalty. To manage all employee TOIL balances centrally, head to the staff dashboard and open the Time Off in Lieu tab. From here, managers can view accrued TOIL, view used TOIL, manually add or deduct TOIL adjustments, and convert TOIL into annual leave or convert annual leave into TOIL where required.